Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that matter most. Put the AirPods Max on and note pressure points. You want to identify tight spots immediately. Once done, loosen the headband and open the ear cups so they sit without clamping hard. Replace any flattened cushions because compressed pads kill comfort and seal. Make sure to clean metal and fabric contact points. Dirt increases friction and uneven pressure. This prep speeds the rest of the fit adjustments and helps you make accurate changes. Next, you refine how the headphones sit. Slide the telescoping arms slowly and evenly so the ear cups center over your ears. Asymmetry creates pressure. Then rotate each ear cup by a small angle to match your ear canal and skull contours, which improves seal and reduces hot spots. Make micro adjustments, 1/8 to 1/4 turns, and wear for 30 to 60 seconds to sense change. Because small shifts alter pressure distribution. Taking time now prevents repeated tightening that causes soreness later. Finish by addressing remaining discomfort and securing the fit. If pressure continues, swap to thicker memory foam third-party cushions to increase ear clearance and soften contact. This changes clamp feel without reducing seal. Slide a thin fabric sleeve or folded microfiber under the headband to broaden load across the skull. Once done, wear for 10 minutes while moving your head to confirm stability. If pain or misalignment persists, stop. Reevaluate cushion placement and reset adjustments. Persistent issues may mean replacing cushions or contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.